Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about ID and class in CSS. So let's get started. So I have here a index.html file here, and this is main.css. So we have to uh, create the structure in HTML tag. In this HTML tag I have a header tag here and a body. So in this header tag you have to mention this file, so you can use it as a external CSS file. Type the link and let's get rid of this one. So yeah, so this is the link tag. In this href tag you have to declare the name of this file. So the name of the file is main.css, as you can see here. So it is connected now. Now let's suppose I am creating a div here with a class of, let's suppose, box1. So I am using here a open live server, which is the extension you will get from here, live server. If you type live server, yeah, this is one that I'm using here, which loads automatically in browser. So yeah, this is my browser window. Let's silence this out. So yeah, so this is my box1 div. So let's suppose I want to add some properties to this box element, box1 class. So what I have to do, when you are using a class, all you have to do is put a period, which is dot symbol here, and type the name of this class, which is box1. So dot box1, and inside this curly bracket you can add any properties you like. Let's suppose I'm adding a height of 200 pixel and width of 200 pixel, and you cannot see anything in here because the color of, because I haven't set any color to this box one. So let's suppose I'm adding a color red. So yeah, now you can see this one. So this is all about class in CSS. Let's talk about ID now. I'm creating another div and I'm adding an ID. Let's suppose a box 2. So I am, whenever you are using an ID, you have to use a number symbol in CSS. So for classes you add dot, and for ID you add this number symbol and type the name of this ID, which is box 2, and same curly bracket. Inside this curly bracket uh, add some properties to it, just like height 200 pixel, width 300 pixel, and background, let's suppose, light green. Yeah. So as you can see, this is our box 2. So there is something that is very important in CSS, that ID has much more priority than class. So let's suppose I am using a class box1 and I am adding another ID, which is box 5, let's suppose, and in here I'm adding property to box 5, and let's suppose background color equal to blue. As you can see that it was red before when we used class here. Now we are using a ID, so ID has higher priority than class, so we are getting blue here. So this is very important in web development and CSS and HTML. This question comes a lot in interview also. So thank you for watching guys. I will see you next time.